Hi everybody, this is Paul, the exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise, with my first video in a long while. This vlog series was really all about showing you kind of the real story behind how someone like myself who is in the industry stays motivated, stays disciplined, and does exercise. And I think I failed a little bit at that. Obviously there's been a really big gap since this video to the last. This is probably week 20, maybe a little bit less than that. And I kind of just fell off the bandwagon. I lost a lot of motivation. I had absolutely no discipline. My mental health and my mental state wasn't in the right place to be exercising consistently. I started off really strong, obviously, giving you updates. My nutrition was on point. That only lasted a couple of weeks as it just got too out of hand. And I think it was just very unrealistic of me to do so much in such little time. So this is going to be like a reset. I'm pressing the button on life. I'm starting fresh. This will still be week whatever. But from now on, I'm going to try to aim to give you at least a fortnightly update. I want to take you on the journey with me like I said I would before. I apologize if you were really looking forward to these videos and you didn't see me for so long. I had a lot of people reach out to me and be like, where's the next video? What are you doing this time around? They really liked it, so I'm getting back into it. So what am I doing differently? Well, I'm not biting off more than I can chew. I'm really just focusing on one thing, and that is just exercising. And like I've said before, I don't want to get too caught up in the numbers, the timing. And if you're following along with my work at BJC, you'll know that we are doing virtual online classes. And a lot of our clients are doing it as well alongside us. Obviously, because of this pandemic, not a lot of people can get out and about. People are working from home, their gyms are closing or just restricting access. So we've offered this option to get into your own home and exercise there. Now that's what I'm doing. I've set myself up in the kitchen. My laptop is right there. Basically, I'm just waiting for the class to start. It's almost 5:30. It almost actually is 5:30. It is 5:30. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the video here. I'm gonna start doing some exercise. I'm gonna try to keep these videos short, brief, as always, but let's just start fresh. I'm gonna get into my exercise again. That's all I'm focusing on. Let's see if you guys can get back into your exercise as well. Follow along with me. I'm Paul, I'm back. I'm the exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise. As always, I'll see you next time. Take care.